All right, so this is James here, Husqvarna. So let me show you this installation and working on right here. So here we have property where you have some of a sandy soil, but new sod has been put down right here. So one of the techniques you can do instead of damaging any type of sod is that the cable layer, we stopped the cable layer there, but we ran the wire to the top of the ground. And what we're doing, since the sod hasn't matted just yet, we're able to pull it back and put that wire in without damaging the soil. So pretty cool technique. Once we get up here, this point right here, we'll start the cable laying machine again. But if you look here, you can see the sod. There's no evidence of a wire installed right there. So something to think about when you start running the cable laying machine. So this whole area here is all new sod. So we do the same thing on this side here by the mechanical area for the home. Right here, we'll pull the sod back off the wall and all the way to the charging station probably. That make for a really clean installation since it just added irrigation system over here, so it look really nice and clean. Here's where you start because of the weeping willow tree. But so I just thought I'd point this out as a good technique, okay?